ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. It's me again, your favorite vlogger, your favorite YouTuber. So, you're welcome. Today, I am doing a video showing the nature, like the natural environment of this city in Portugal. If you're new on this channel, you're welcome. Do well to subscribe if you've not subscribed. My name is Abigail and I live in Portugal. I'm documenting my journey as a PhD student in Portugal. Yeah. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I appreciate and I love you. Okay? So, on this vlog, I was going to Lisbon, Portugal, from another city, and I just decided to do a video showing you all the natural environment. It is so beautiful. Look at the sun, the trees, the road, the green grasses, and all of that. It is so beautiful, and the cars passing by, the houses, beautiful. I love nature, and nature is beautiful. So yeah, I decided to do a short clip, to show you guys what it looks like. So enjoy the rest of the vlog, and do not forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to leave a comment below so others will see your comment and watch my other videos. And if you're new here, you've not seen my other videos, you should definitely go and see my videos. There are so many videos that I've posted on my channel and you will really love it. So do well to go watch my other videos, and yeah, thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in my other vlogs. Bye. Mwah.